Here we will talk about consonants. So what is a consonant? Consonants are sounds occur at the margins of syllables. So what does this mean? As you saw in the case of Amazon, okay, so we divided the word into syllables, right? Okay, so let us take a look here at the word margin itself without the S. Okay, margin. How many syllables does it have? It has 2 syllables, mar and jin. Okay, so the syllable mar, okay, how many consonants does it have? It has 2 consonants, the ma and the ra. Okay, so you can find the consonants at the margins, which means at each end of the syllable. Okay, so you have the vowel inside and you have the consonants on the margins. Same for gen. Okay, so this is a consonant, this is a consonant, and the vowel in the middle. This is usually the case, but anyways, here we are talking about consonants. They are sounds that occur at the margins of syllables. I want you to take a look at this table that shows different consonants. Okay, so you have many consonants here and they are divided according to the manner of articulation and the place of articulation. So this line here, this is the place of articulation, and this one is the manner of articulation. Articulation means pronunciation. How do you pronounce it? So let us take just a small example. It's a big table, but it's a very, very simple thing. So this letter, the P letter, which is pa or a pa, this is how it is pronounced. We say that this is a bilabial plosive letter or a plosive bilabial sound, sorry. So plosive is the manner or the way it is articulated, it is pronounced, and bilabial is the place. By bilabial we mean that we used both lips. Okay, so it is pa, pa. Okay, we used both lips to pronounce it. And plosive means that we have stopped the airflow in the mouth. Okay, the word plosive itself is equal to stop. Okay, so this is a plosive sound or stop sound. Okay, we have stopped the airflow from flowing through the mouth. Okay, if you try it like pa, pa, okay, so the air is coming from the lungs inside the mouth, and then we stopped it by our lips from going out of the mouth, right? This pa, and same for ba or a ba. Okay, if you try it, you will feel it. A different type of sounds in addition to plosives or stop sounds is called the nasal sounds. Okay, so what are the nasal sounds in English? This is the letter M, the letter N, and this sound. So this is the ma, the na, and the anna, anna. Okay, like this sound is found in sing, for example. Okay, another one is called the fricative sound. Okay, so the fricative sound is made by forcing air through a narrow space. A famous example is this sound, which is tha, tha, like in 3, remember? Tha. Okay, we are forcing the air through a narrow space. And the, this is the or the. We have seen it in the Amazon is wide, right? The th is pronounced like this one, the. Okay, so this is the manner of articulation. Okay, this is called the fricative. We are forcing the air through a narrow space. Okay, this is the way we pronounce these letters. Same for fa and va, right? As for tha and the, how or where they are pronounced okay, or the place of articulation, they are called dental. Why they are called dental? If you try it out, try fa, you are using your tongue against the upper teeth. Okay, this is why it's called dental, because you are using your teeth. Okay, so it's a fricative dental or dental fricative. Same for fa and va. It's called labiodental. This is a place of articulation. And we said like articulation is pronunciation. Okay, so it's called labiodental. If you try it out, it is fa. You are using both your lips and teeth, right, in order to pass the air through this narrow space. Fa, va, right? You can try it out. We also have here the sa and za. This is also another fricative sound, and it is alveolar. Okay, why it is called alveolar? Because you are putting your tongue against this hard place behind the top teeth, right? If you can try it, Sarah, for example, or zoo. Your tongue is on this alveolar ridge. This place is called alveolar ridge, the hard place behind your top front teeth. Okay? There is another type of sound which is called affricative. Okay, so we were talking about fricative. There is another one that's not here, not in this table, called affricate. Okay, so the affricate sound consists of two sounds actually. A plosive or a stop sound, okay, and then a fricative. Okay, so it is different from a fricative, but it has half of it is a fricative. Let me give you an example. For example, jar, okay, or jam. The J in the beginning, the letter J, it is pronounced d, j, j. It's both da, and ja. Okay? So they will be written next to each other. This affricate, D, and then this symbol, ja, the ja. Okay? And same for cha, like church or chair. You have this letter T plus this sh sound. Okay, so again, this is called affricate.